Today I am reviewing the Brute Networks DDR4 RAM. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have been using the Brute Networks 16GB DDR4 3200MHz SODIMM laptop memory upgrade for the past few weeks, and I want to share my deep dive, hands-on review of this component. Upgrading computer memory is often touted as the single most effective and cost-efficient way to breathe new life into a sluggish system, but finding an aftermarket module that offers total compatibility and rock-solid stability can sometimes feel like a gamble. After installing this memory stick into my everyday laptop and pushing it through various heavy workloads, I can confidently share exactly how it performs in a real-world scenario. Let us start with the installation process and compatibility, which is often the biggest point of friction when it comes to upgrading laptop components. This specific module is designed to be fully compatible with the original equipment manufacturer part number SNP1CXB8C/16G. Brute Networks promises 100% compatibility, and in my testing, they absolutely delivered on that promise. The physical installation was as straightforward as any standard SODIMM upgrade, snapping perfectly into the laptop slot. Upon booting up the machine for the first time after the install, the system BIOS recognized the new memory instantly without any errors, crashes, or blue screens. It immediately configured itself to run at its full rated speed of 3200 MHz at the standard 1.2 volts. This level of plug-and-play reliability is a massive benefit for anyone who wants to upgrade their hardware without spending hours troubleshooting compatibility issues or messing around with manual system settings. Now, let us talk about the actual performance impact, because that is where this memory module truly shines. Before adding this 16GB stick, my laptop was severely constrained by its limited memory capacity, which acted as a major bottleneck for my daily workflow. If you are someone who keeps dozens of web browser tabs open while simultaneously running resource-heavy productivity apps, a media player, and communication tools, you know exactly how frustrating it is when your system begins to stutter and freeze. This behavior happens because the operating system is forced to swap data back and forth between the limited RAM and the much slower storage drive. After maximizing my laptop memory capacity with this Brute Networks module, those artificial limits completely vanished. The performance boost was immediate and incredibly noticeable. Application loading times dropped significantly. Large programs like photo editors and complex development environments that used to take ages to initialize now snap open almost instantly. More importantly, the overall system responsiveness under heavy load has been transformed. I can seamlessly alt-tab between a massive spreadsheet, a high-definition video stream, and a demanding business application without experiencing a single moment of lag or UI freezing. The system feels completely revitalized, proving that memory capacity is indeed the primary way to unlock a computer's true potential speed. Looking at the technical specifications, this module is a 2RX8 non-ECC configuration, meaning it is a dual-rank module built explicitly for standard consumer and business laptops rather than specialized servers. Dual-rank memory can often offer slightly better interleaving performance compared to single-rank variants, and that extra efficiency shows in how smoothly the machine handles sustained multitasking. It complies fully with JEDEC and industry standards, which explains why the system's stability has been flawless. Over weeks of continuous operation, including overnight rendering tasks and lengthy multitasking sessions, I have not encountered a single memory-related error or system crash. Another aspect that provides immense peace of mind is the long-term reliability and support backing this product. Brute Networks offers a lifetime warranty on this computer memory, which speaks volumes about their confidence in the component's build quality. The module itself uses major brand components that either meet or exceed original equipment manufacturer specifications. Knowing that the memory is built to such high standards and is covered for life means you can install it once and completely forget about it, trusting that it will outlast the useful life of the laptop itself. If there is anything to keep in mind, it is simply that you should double-check your laptop's existing memory specifications to ensure that a 3200 MHz DDR4 SODIMM is the correct physical and speed match for your motherboard. As long as your system supports this standard, this module is a flawless match. In conclusion, the Brute Networks 16GB DDR4 upgrade is an exceptional, high-quality component that delivers exactly what it promises. It effectively blasts through the performance limitations of a choked system, speeding up loading times, maximizing multitasking capabilities, and providing ironclad stability backed by a lifetime warranty. It is a smart, cost-effective investment that yields massive real-world performance returns, and I highly recommend it to anyone looking to maximize their laptop's efficiency.